Just take a second to notice those wallet totals. They're unreal. If you're chasing real profits, keep watching because I'm going to lay out the exact steps to get there. I tried forever to win at the meme coin hustle, and then I found this completely broken strategy. We're about to break down the full method, but first, stay clear of pump fun. It's loaded with random tokens from people who don't even know what they're doing. They launch coins with zero cost, and that just ruins the whole space. If you want to make real money, take the better path now. Go into Photon, filter it for pump fun decks, and check it out. New meme coins are popping up every second. It's all garbage projects being pushed out non-stop, and they vanish just as quickly. No wonder, pump fun is bursting at the seams because there's zero barrier to entry. Don't bother trying to earn here. It's a dead race. Looking over at Radium now, the contrast is obvious. Hardly any coins are being pushed out. Just a small number launched in the last few minutes. Side by side with pump fun, it's not even comparable. The interest over here is insane. Market caps, way higher. The reason's simple. Radium isn't for amateurs. It requires you to know your stuff. That's why it's our platform of choice. Here's how we're going to use it. I came across LaunchTool by pure chance, and it's seriously one of the best kept secrets out there. This platform is next level. You don't have to know anything about coding, so even if you're brand new, you can still get your coin launched on Radium. A couple clicks and you're all set. It's made me consistent gains, week after week. Found a logo on Google that fits perfectly. No surprise, I went with a meme that's blowing up right now. I always recommend using something funny or viral because it gets people to click without thinking twice. That approach hasn't let me down. Now hop into Canva, choose Create a Design, size it to 128 by 128, touch it up if needed, and save it, easy and polished, just the way I like to keep things. Now the only thing left for you is to launch your token on LaunchTool. Just enter the token name, symbol, and maybe a description if you want, plus the logo you designed on Canva. Once you've filled everything out and confirmed the transaction, all that's left is to click the Create Liquidity Pool option from the 4 shown at the end. And this is where the real fun begins, guys. It'll take you straight into Radium. First, double check that your wallet is connected, then choose your meme coin as the main token. Use the drop-down box, copy the token address from LaunchTool, and paste it under where it says Select the Token. Then complete the token info. I'm entering UNA for the symbol and Unimpressed Aura as the name. Click Add User Token and confirm by selecting your token again. Set the supply amount to 900 million. That's what most meme coins go with out of the 1 billion. Select SOL as your quote token. You're the first investor, so hit max without worrying. Don't forget to hold back 0.2 SOL for Radium's setup charge, highlighted in yellow. Choose a 2% fee tier. Once you've reviewed all the fields, press Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm it in your wallet. And that's it. Your coin is officially up for trading. Flip over to Photon, and you'll see it listed right away. Now that's out of the way, let's check how your chart's looking. Go over to deckscreener.com, tap any coin just to get the page going. Let everything load completely. Jump back to LaunchTool, grab your token's address, and drop it into Dex Screener where the placeholder is. Hit that enter key. The chart should pop up instantly. Most of the movement you're seeing right now is likely from bots. Nothing to worry about. Just sit back for a bit and wait until real orders start appearing. Meanwhile, don't forget to peek at your Radium portfolio now and then. Ensure you're viewing it in standard mode. Your position will show up near the bottom soon enough. It might take a few moments to load. Oh nice, we just got a $4 buy. That's good. Boom, our first buy just landed after a brief pause. It came in at $40, or about 0.27 Solana. Still waiting it out, because I want to see what else we pull in. A few sell orders are also showing up, but that's not a bad thing. It adds more volume to the chart, which can attract even more investors. Second buy just hit the books. 0.22 Sol, translating to $33. Look down here, liquidity stands at $320, and market cap climbed to $387. That's a solid start. Fingers crossed we'll see even bigger numbers soon. The beauty of it, no promo needed. This same strategy can be repeated as many times as you want. It's super effective. Oh, hold up folks. I was scrolling through the order book and came across this order I didn't catch earlier. It's $27, which is the same as 0.18 Solana. Oh wait, Fresh order just landed. That's buy number 4, almost $27 worth or around 0.18 sol. It's almost the same as the previous one, which is funny. Seeing the sell orders pile up now, and I'm taking that as my moment to rug it. Reminder, this tutorial is meant strictly for educational purposes, and you might not see the same outcome. Now, right before I go for the rug, let's take one last glance at the numbers. Liquidity shows $373, and market cap is now $525, only 53 minutes in. That kind of growth is insane. I'm good with that, so I'm locking in the gains. Just head to Radium, link up your wallet, and make sure it's set to standard view. Hit the minus button at this point. Move the slider all the way up to 100%. Pay attention only to the sol amount. That's the reward you're getting. Press remove liquidity, confirm the transaction. And just like that, the success message will pop up. That signals your funds have landed. This is the best part for me. Fire up Phantom and check the results. Oh, this is unusual. It still hasn't shown up. But no worries. Phantom can take a few minutes to load, so keep that in mind, guys. I invested $120 and walked away with $185 clean. One thing to make clear, I have zero affiliation with LaunchTool, Photon, or Radium. What you saw today is only meant to educate. This method's been incredible lately, but there's no way to know how long it'll stay hot. If you're thinking of testing it, act fast.